Bonjour! In today's very quick lesson, we're going to look at what is a direct object pronoun. And don't worry, sounds scarier than it actually is. So what are the direct object pronouns? So they're me, te, le, la, nu, vous, les. You might recognize some of them. And they are pronouns that we use when we don't want to repeat a word. So they replace a noun. So for example, je lis le livre. I'm reading the book. We don't want to repeat the word book, so we say I'm reading it. Je le lis. So the important thing to remember is where they go. The pronoun goes before the verb. So in our example here, instead of saying nous mangeons les chips, we say nous les mangeons. We're eating them. So it's different to English where the pronoun goes after the verb usually. So here's some other examples. Nous allumons les lumières. Nous les allumons. Tu prépares la soupe. Tu la prépares. Quite easy with the it, isn't it? Because you've already got the same word in there as the. You prepare the soup, you prepare it. So that same word means two different things. Ils prennent des photos. Ils les prennent. Again, easy with them, that we're just repeating that word that's already used in the sentence. Elle cherche son stylo. Elle le cherche. She's looking for it. Now, if you want to have a practice, I would suggest either you pause the video now or you let it go for a little bit more and there will be the pronouns on the side of this slide for you if you need a reminder. So, je regarde la télévision. Instead of I watch television, we want I watch it. Nous invitons nos amis. Instead of we are inviting or we invite our friends, we invite them. Tu manges la tarte aux pommes? Are you eating the apple pie or the apple tart? Are you eating it? And il achète le billet. He buys the ticket. He buys it. So the most useful one you probably will use is it or them. Here are the pronouns if you need a reminder. And here are answers. Je regarde la télévision becomes je la regarde. Nous invitons nos amis. Nous les invitons. Tu manges la tarte aux pommes? Tu la manges. Il achète le billet. Il l'achète. This is really useful for GCSE and IGCSE. Using direct object pronouns comes under complex language, which is what we're looking for as examiners to give you those higher grades. So the final tip, the golden rule, is the pronoun comes first and then the verb. So pronoun before the verb. Easy. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, please, and subscribe for more quick French GCSE tips, useful for IGCSE and for other learners as well. Don't forget this full grammar tip is on my blog. So if you go to my website, missw.com, you will find very clearly at the top the link to the blog, and there's all sorts of grammar tips on there, as well as cultural articles and other fun stuff. Also some ideas of other ways to learn, some links to other websites, for example. So all kinds of information on there. You can also subscribe to my monthly newsletter, so I will put the link in the comments below. And for now, à bientôt!